How to embed Calendly to your WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to embed Calendly, which is a scheduling software, to your WordPress website for scheduling appointment and more. So let's get started. First, what you need is you need to have a Calendly account. So you can go to calendly.com and you will get to this platform right here. This is my Calendly and I want to add it to my WordPress website. So you can open up your WordPress as well. This is my WordPress website and I will be adding Calendly right here. I will be embedding Calendly. So first, what we need to do is we need to simply go to our website and open up our page. And I'm going to click on this add option and then you will see we have this option, which is the code option. So I can just drag it and drop it on my website page, like wherever I want it to be. This is like a test page that I'm creating. And now you can see that I need a code that I can add right here, any HTML I want to add. We also have the embed option if we want to add. So like you can simply go with an HTML, like custom HTML. It's going to be same. So for Calendly, we can go with a custom HTML too. Now we know that we have to embed a code or a link to our Calendly right here. So where to find that link? You will simply go back to your Calendly and you need to sign up. You can sign up with your email address or Google account. It's really easy. Once you are on your Calendly, I want you to simply go to your account and then you need to click on share your link. Once you create an account in Calendly, it automatically creates a link for your Calendly. And you can see we have copy your link, the link we can share, email your link, and then we have add to your website. Now this is the link that I can add to any website, not just WordPress, and my Calendly will be added to the website. So it's super easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this one. You can see right here, inline embed, pop-up widget, or a pop-up text, that how you want to add to your website. So I'm going to go with an inline embed and continue. Perfect. So you can see right here, this is the code that we needed. This is the code for my Calendly. So I'm going to copy this code from here. And now let's go to our WordPress website. All right. So on our WordPress website, we already have this code section now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply paste the code that I got from Calendly right here. So it's a simple copy and paste, really easy to do. And now you can see my Calendly has been added and you can see it has everything, all the coding. So it's a simple, copy paste. I'm just going to enter and this code will be added to my website. And then when I will open up my website now, I will be able to check and set appointments. So we have Calendly on our website now. The next step, what we do is I'm going to actually go back to my Calendly now and show you how we can create appointment types and how we can create different appointment settings. So first of all, I'm going to set availability for my website where people will be able to set appointments. So I'm going to create a new schedule. I already have few of the schedules, but I'm going to create a new one for you guys and let's call it WordPress. So I'm going to click on create. Now I have this one right here, this schedule, and I want to set it. You can see this is not my schedule. This was for the other one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize it. So I am available from Monday till Thursday. I'm not available on Friday, so I'm going to uncheck this. Now we have these days. We need to set up the timing now. So I'm actually going to be available from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. So I'm going to select that time. Perfect. 9 till 5, this is for Monday. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this one and paste the time to Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and click on apply. So there you go. We have our availability set. It's really easy to do. If you want to add more than one interval, you can also do that. But for now, I think this looks good. Now we have our own availability set for our WordPress website. I'm going to go to home and show you how we can create an appointment type. This is great. Now I have Calendly on my WordPress, so I can just customize it for my WordPress website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create and then I'm going to click on event type. So now what I can do is I can actually create any kind of event, any kind of appointment. So we can have like one-on-one meeting, group, collective, and round robin. So if you have like classes, online classes or course, then we kind of like go with collective or group. But I have one-on-one meetings, so I'm going to create this one. All right, so this is where you will be creating your event types. I'm gonna call it test. Let's just call it test for now. For the location, now we can have different applications added to our WordPress that can help us with the appointments as well. So I have added my Zoom to my WordPress. So I'm gonna go with Zoom, or we can add Google Meets as well if we want. Okay, this one is like the simplest. Okay, perfect. Now we have instructions and description. This is going to be event link. Now this is for just my Calendly, but we can create an event type or a meeting like this for our different customers and for like a separate customer as well. So you can select the color and click on next. After that, we have simple settings that we can do. You can select the duration, for example, 60 minutes. Then we have like if they want to add a reminder, you want to add reminders for your customers, so you can like add 60 days into not 60 days. I'm gonna go with 7 calendar days. Perfect. Then we have our availability given here. Perfect. And have any kind of reminders, but I'm gonna click on next. And then we have invitee questions, workflow, notification, confirmation page, and collect payment option as well. So if you have any kind of like donation event or like charity event, then you can go with collect payments as well. But this is how you will be using Calendly. Now I'm going to take you back to the WordPress website where we had added our Calendly. And you can see now we have Calendly added to our WordPress website as a widget. I can also create a button for my WordPress, right? So what I can do is I can just add any kind of button right here, and I can add a label for my Calendly. I can click on add button and it will allow me to add a button as well that will take my customers and my users to Calendly directly, and it's going to be an inline widget. We can also customize the link if we want to. We have other options given as well. You can see right here, code changes. If there are any changes you want to do, you can do that. We can also move our code across our website and place it wherever we want to add. What I would like to do is I just kind of like go to widgets then. Whenever I embed a new software, and then I create a button for that on my website so that it's really very easy for my customers to approach it, and they will just click on Calendly and they will know, or maybe appointment, and they will be driven to my Calendly, because Calendly is really efficient software, and I showed you it's really easy to use, and I use it for my personal meetings as well. So we can also use it for our professional website on WordPress. So it's really easy to use. You can just go to your WordPress website, go to the plus button right here, and you can just simply click on code, add the code to your website, and then you need to open up your Calendly, go to your account, share your link, and then you're gonna open this one up, select any of these types, for example this one, click on continue. This is your code right here. Copy the code and add the code to your WordPress website. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.